Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Krishang French Learning. In my today's video, I will teach you 10 local facts about French cuisine. So friends, let's start. Fact number 1. Friends, in France, baguettes are free. Baguette is a French bread. Most of the French restaurants first serve baguettes to calm down your hunger while waiting for your order. Fact number 2. Friends, France is the second largest wine producer. France produces enough alcoholic beverage to rank second in total production. Fact number 3. Friends, the drinking age is only for 16. However, if you choose to drink hard liquor over 21% alcohol, you will need to be 18. Fact number 4. Breakfast is not the most important meal. Friends, do you know breakfast is not the most important meal? The main meal in France is lunch and dinner. Breakfast is normally something small. Fact number 5. Snails and oysters are popular dishes. Boiled snails served with a sauce made of butter, and raw oysters can be served with bread and butter, cheese, lemon, salt, and pepper. Fact number 6. Lunch breaks are up to 2 hours long. Fact number 7. Different regions have different cuisines. In France, you can see different regions have different varieties of products. Fact number 8. There are 365 different types of cheese. In France, there are 365 different types of cheese. Fact number 9. Throwing away spare food is unlawful. Friends, do you know throwing away spare food is unlawful? The spare products need to be donated to charities which will feed the poor. Fact number 10. French fries may not actually have been invented in France. Friends, do you know French fries may not actually have been invented in France, although French fries may be looking like a French dish. So friends, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.